Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom's Curry Pot. Today, I am sharing a coastal classic from Mangalore, the authentic Mangalorean Kori Gasi with Kori Roti. Kori means chicken in Tulu and Kori Roti refers to thin, crispy rice wafers that are traditionally served with this curry. And Gasi simply means a rich coconut-based gravy made with freshly roasted spices. This delicious chicken curry is prepared with a fragrant masala of coconut, chilies, coriander seeds, cumin seeds and black pepper. It has the perfect balance of spice, tanginess and aroma. Enjoy it with crunchy Kori Roti, soft neer dosa or hot steamed rice for a truly traditional experience. So, let's get started and cook up this comforting and mouth-watering dish together. To make Kori Gasi, I am using 600 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. First, let's marinate the chicken. Add the juice of 1 lemon, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste and half a tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix everything really well so the spices coat the chicken evenly. Now keep it aside to use a little later while we prepare the masala. In a kadai, heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 8 to 10 garlic cloves and 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute them well and cook until the onions turn a nice golden brown. At this stage, add the whole spices, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast everything together on medium heat until the masala becomes aromatic. Now add a few Kashmiri dry chilies along with some spicy red chilies and roast them again for a minute. Once done, remove this roasted masala into a bowl. In the same kadai, add 1 more teaspoon of oil and add 1.5 cups of grated coconut. Fry the coconut gently until it turns light brown. Then, transfer this fried coconut to the same bowl with the earlier masala. Let the mixture cool down completely. After that, grind it into a fine smooth paste by adding a little water as required. Keep this freshly ground Kori Gasi masala aside for later use. In the same kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute and cook until the onions turn soft and translucent. Now, add the marinated chicken pieces and mix them well with the onions. Close the lid and let the chicken cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After a few minutes, open the lid and give it a good stir. Next, add the freshly ground Kori Gasi masala paste to the chicken. Rinse the mixer jar with 1 cup of hot water and pour this water into the gravy as well. Mix everything nicely so the masala blends evenly. close the lid again and cook until the gravy thickens and begins to release oil. While the chicken is cooking, prepare about 1.5 cups of fresh coconut milk and keep it ready. Once the chicken is tender, open the lid and add the prepared coconut milk to the gravy. Stir everything well and let it simmer gently for around 3 to 4 minutes. Check for salt and adjust it if necessary. Our korigasi is now almost ready. For the final tempering, heat a small pan with a little ghee, add some thinly sliced onions and saute them until they turn translucent and lightly golden. Now, pour this tempering over the prepared gravy, switch off the flame and close the lid and keep the gravy as is for some time to let the flavors blend beautifully. Rich, creamy and packed with traditional Mangalorean flavors, our korigasi is now ready to serve. Enjoy it the classic way with crispy Mangalorean kori roti, soft neer dosa or a plate of hot steamed rice. This comforting chicken curry is perfect for family meals and special occasions alike. Do try this recipe and bring a taste of Mangalore into your kitchen. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Mom's Curry Pot for more delicious and easy home-style recipes. See you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.